7 Pro also has this pre-applied plastic screen protector like on every Realme device ever made, which hides poor quality glass protection underneath. We are really hoping that Realme has upgraded the glass protection on the highest variant 7 Pro and does not fail like most other Realme devices. We are back in this video, this time with the Realme 7 Pro, Realme's second twin release in its latest 7 series lineup, along with the Realme 7, which we had covered in our last video. The Realme 7 had failed in certain areas as usual, like the glass protection and lack of oleophobic coating. And for the first time in the Realme 7, the camera frame had also suffered damage. So it will be fun to see if Realme has stepped up its game on the Realme 7 Pro, or will it suffer the same damages. You can use the free case in the box without any issues, since it is one of the best quality ones you can find, and unless you personally want a third-party case, there is no need for it. For some reason, maybe to push the sales of Realme 7, the Realme 7 Pro comes with a base variant of 6GB RAM and 128GB storage at the price of 20k, with no option of the 64GB variant. The Realme 7 Pro weighs in at a lesser 182 grams and actually feels much lighter than the Realme 7, since it is 14.5 grams lighter due to its slim design and slightly smaller 4500 mAh battery, 500 mAh less than the Realme 7. Though it does feel okay in my usual trial bend despite being thinner than the Realme 7. The Realme 7 Pro has some great features like the Super Dart Charge, 64 megapixels quad cameras, dual stereo speakers, or the always-on Super AMOLED display with the plastic back, and we are here to find out if any of those get physically damaged in a comprehensive testing. In the scratch test, we are testing out the scratch-resistant quality of the tempered glass protection on the display by rubbing it with a heavy-duty blade and common atoms found in pockets. And as mentioned earlier, we are really hoping that on the 7 Pro, Realme has used high quality of glass protection and does not fail the blade abuse as it did on the Realme 7 with ugly scratch marks. The funny part is that glass is not supposed to fail the blade because glass is harder than steel according to the Mohs scale of hardness. And here's where the blade shows its importance, as it exposes poor quality tempered glass protection on displays. On the other hand, high quality glasses like those made by Corning have always managed to survive the blade, even on the most budget and cheapest of Redmi devices. So will the Realme 7 Pro, the highest variant in the 7 series, at least be able to survive the blade, unlike the failed Realme 7? This is one of those rare moments where we can say that a Realme device, that is the Realme 7 Pro, has survived the blade and actually managed to pass the scratch test due to the presence of genuine Corning glass protection. Stuff to note about the Realme 7 Pro is that it has no IP certified ingress rating or water resistance, so you will be inviting expensive damage in the form of repair charges if you dunk it underwater. Also, the rubber seal, which was present even on the budget series C3, is not present here on the 7 Pro, just like the recently tested Realme 7. Though Realme does seem to have some proprietary water resistance of their own and do have a good track record. Here we are testing for the presence of oleophobic coating, which helps out in reducing ugly fingerprint smudges on the display, and its presence makes for a good experience and smooth feel on the fingers. Realme has also been notorious for not giving oleophobic coating on the devices except on the X series, and if absent, the water lies flat and sticks to the glass, forming a pool instead of forming spherical drops and rolling off the surface. And surprise surprise is great news and a welcome change to see an unusual layer of oleophobic coating on the Realme 7 Pro. Also, the audio has not started to get affected, signifying that there is no liquid damage taking place as yet. So as we start the light splashing round, it should be noted that it was during this earlier round itself that the Redmi Note 8 and later the 9 had suffered from an unusual black screen issue due to permanent motherboard damage. And it was the Zenfone 5Z that suffered from severe display damage in the later round of heavy drenching. Non-IP rated devices with no official water resistance have also suffered from temporary issues like blank displays for a few minutes, headphone icon issue, or the screen may start to flicker for some time. Besides these problems, every non-IP rated device suffers from low distorted sound and low loudness levels from the external speakers, lasting for a few seconds with no damage, or it may continue for several hours, signifying the first stage of liquid damage to the display, motherboard or sound unit. Overexposure will cause permanent damage and a costly visit to the service center. True to the great record, Realme has once again proved in the 7 Pro their effectiveness against liquid damage from heavy splashes and even survives some time underwater, and the Realme 7 Pro convincingly passes our water test. Next up, the first drop from pocket height, Realme 7 Pro, bottom side facing down. No dents or damage on the bottom plastic frame from pocket height. Moving on to the next drop from pocket height, top side facing down. The top side is still spotless, unlike few other devices. Next up, third drop, pocket height, camera unit backside facing the marble floor. There seems to be a tiny spot developed at the upper camera frame, though pretty negligible to the naked eye. More on that later. Next, last drop from pocket height, AMOLED display side facing down. The Realme 7 Pro seems to be absolutely fine as of now after 4 hard drop impacts from pocket height. We are performing the drop test of the Realme 7 Pro to know the drop impact resistance of its plastic body from different angles. Will the lighter weight turn out to be an advantage for the plastic body and the Super AMOLED display? Next up, increasing the drop height to about 1.6 meters head high. First high drop, bottom side facing down. No dents, damages or breaks until now, unlike few other unfortunate devices. Moving on to the second high drop, top side facing the marble. Again, everything appears to be normal after the high topside drop. but we have more to show you on that later. Now turning on live video recording for the third high drop. Quad camera unit backside facing down. Plastic body and the camera unit frame looks to the naked eye as if it has suffered no damage, but there was some issues which we'll come back to later after the last drop. Next up, the last finale drop you have been waiting for with live video from the selfie camera, Super AMOLED screen side facing down. As we mentioned earlier, on first look, the Realme 7 Pro appears to have suffered absolutely no physical damage whatsoever. But on closer inspection, there seems to be some sort of minute damage on the camera frame. The degree of damage though is lesser compared to the Realme 7 due to the lighter weight. Also, the four edges at the plastic back feels sharp to touch after the drop test, signifying that the hard impacts have flattened the plastic body in that area. The Realme 7 Pro has passed our drop test as far as the AMOLED display and internal functions go, but has failed in terms of some damage at the edges, especially the damage on the camera frame. Not the best quality design that Realme has made compared to the previous devices. Next up, moving on to fun stuff with value. The bend test will provide you with concrete video and visual proof about the structural build quality of devices that the brand has made and the money that you have paid for it. It is understandable, especially for those new viewers, that you are genuinely perplexed about the existence of bend tests. So now that we have got that out of the way, the Realme 7 Pro here is behaving almost similar to that of the Realme 7 in terms of the higher degree of flex of its plastic body when pressure is applied from either the AMOLED screen side or the back side. Realme though has always managed to give its consumers devices with great build quality, and the devices have never really failed our test as yet. The same can be said about the Realme 7 Pro, which passes the bend test despite the higher degree of bend of its slim body due to good build and design and use of quality aluminium and plastic.